Welcome to Tutorials with Kelly Ann Smith. Today I'm going over my April 2021 income report for my business, Freedom in a Budget. I have a YouTube channel, blog, Etsy shop, courses, Patreon, all of the above. So we're going to go line by line, all of my income as well as expenses, because it's so important to look at someone's expenses when you're looking at their profit. So many people will just talk about, I made $10,000, but they don't talk about how they spent $9,000 in Facebook ads, so their profit is only $1,000. I want to be super transparent with you guys. So that is the purpose of this video. I do have this spreadsheet for free for you down below in the description box if you want to grab it. It has all the formulas pre-populated for you. Okay, jumping right into revenue. I have a full blog post as well on this with breaking down the revenue, especially affiliate marketing, showing you all the different breakdown of affiliate marketing, all the different companies that I've worked with this month and each individual amount. So there's so much information on the blog. Go check that out. But affiliate marketing was $3,133.35. Etsy was $103.93. Freedom in a Budget shop at $31.65. YouTube and blog ads $1,472.62. Courses $312.53. I have two courses, a entrepreneur course called Dreamer to Profitable, and then also a How to Save Money on Groceries course. Patreon $32.50, coaching $88.83 for a total of income of net profit of $5,175.41. Okay, breaking this down, this is how I am able to break it down, and then I have each of these categories that I give to my accountant. So this is the best way that works best for me for tax purposes. I actually prefer this over QuickBooks, but that's just my own personal opinion. And my accountant says I'm super organized and he's happy with it. So that's a win-win for all of us. But if you're looking for a spreadsheet that you can just give over to your accountant, this is awesome. So first is education development is $97. This is my coaching membership that I pay for every single month. Next is travel, training, and conferences and conventions. Flights, I did take a trip to Arizona. It was a business trip. So flights were $473.80. Airbnb, Uber, food, luggage, all of that. So total was $1,194.37. Next is contract labor. Hire out someone twice for $100 total. Next is uniform and clothing. I had to buy a dress for conference, and that was $30.99. Office supplies and postage was a microphone that I had to buy, and that was $69.54. Next is advertising marketing, and that was for $25 gift card for a news feature that I was on. I was on the local news here, so $25 there. Next is dues and subscriptions. So this is a whole bunch of web hosting stuff, MailChimp, my email marketing service, YouTube Premium, Google Domains, Adobe Creative Cloud, all of that. And it was a total of $363.04. Next is taxes, $375, and this is what I had to pay my CPA for our tax return. So all of those expenses all added up equal to $2,254.94. If you watch my previous report card videos, I do not typically have this many expenses, but because of my trip, it was higher, but that's totally okay. So then, like we said before, the revenue was $5,175.41. Gross profit is $2,920.47. Taxes, 25% is $730.12. Net profit is $2,190.35. Adding $500 to business savings for total salary, take-home salary of $1,690.35. Then it will auto calculate down here for taxes and business savings for a total business savings of, for this month, of $1,230.12. Total so far is $3,109.28. So like I said, this is my budget spreadsheet for my business for April 21 with my income and expenses. And if you want this spreadsheet, I'll have it linked down below in the description box.